One of my favorite stocks is trading at over a 50% discount. If you love BMNR and love Ethereum, listen up. Right now, BMNR's MNAV is at a 1.4, respectively, as it is the top Ethereum treasury. But BTBT is trading at a 0.43, and it went up 6% today still. You may be thinking that since it's trading at a 50% discount, it must be underperforming BMNR or Ethereum. Wrong. It's actually gone up more than Ethereum and Bitmain in the last month. How is it possible? It went up 6% today and Ethereum went up 4%, but it got cheaper at the same exact time. That's because it owns a 75% of this company, WhiteFiber, who's absolutely ripped 88%. So you're not only buying Ethereum at a half price at like $2,000 per ETH, but you're also buying WhiteFiber at $15. Let's say BTBT was a double tomorrow and WhiteFiber went up another 10% and Ethereum went up another 5%. If it doubled, it would barely be at a 0.8 MNAV. If you're zooming out on the chart, all of the treasuries basically trade at close to 1. It wouldn't even be a difference. Of course, you have something like Gain also trading close to half, but for that reason, their diluted shares are also close to 1. While their shares, BTBT, is also trading at half price, including dilution and everything. I love BMNR at 1 as my best buying point, and SBET at like 0.8 or 0.75, and BTBT under 0.5 for both. I bought like another $1,000 literally last night, and it filled in at the market open, and this thing shot up tremendously before pulling back, still up 6%. As you see, I hold BMNR, BTBT, SBET, and Pure ETH in the form of the ETF, and you see I just added another $1,000 of BTBT literally today, right in the morning. This is one of my 2 accounts with BTBT. It's a much larger amount than it was before. It was 300 before, and I kept buying it, and it's going up, and it's getting cheaper at the exact same time. Of course, this does rely on Ethereum and WhiteFiber's price, but the things if Ethereum or WhiteFiber tanks, BTBT will most likely not move as down as much. So for me personally, at this price, you're getting the same amount of upside, something like BMNR or more than Ethereum, but you're getting way less downside in something like WhiteFiber. Even if Ethereum's moved down 5% at once or BMNR is tanked, BTBT has stayed the same price due to WhiteFiber pumping. Or vice versa, data centers are hot, and WhiteFiber is absolutely cooking. And the thing is, if WhiteFiber actually starts to tank, BTBT won't tank at the same time. It might tank later as people start to price in the MNAV, which will give you opportunity to get out of the stock. All you have to do is follow Risk on Bobby on Twitter. He posts these every day so you can keep the MNAV in track. And of course, just have the WhiteFiber ticker symbol just favorited so you can see what it moves every day. And also have some sort of Ethereum markdown or the Ethereum ETF so you can see how it moves as well. 1.4 is still good for BMNR, but it's getting a little bit expensive for me right now. I like buying BMNR when ETH is cheap or BMNR is trading at a discount to MNAV or close to it. So for my buys, I'm going to be buying BTBT over BMNR as of right now.